Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the screws securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the speaker and unplug the cables securing it to the system. Remove the speaker. Then, identify the fan assembly, unlatch it, and lift it up and away from the system. Disconnect the cables securing the fan to the system. Identify the memory module and remove the latches securing it to the system. Lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, align the notch with the tab and relatch the module. Reconnect the cables securing the fan assembly to the system and relatch it. Reinsert the speaker and plug in the cables securing it to the system. Slide the side cover on the system and secure it with the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.